Mouse Munson has requested that someone explain why we named him Mouse, because he's very embarrassed about it. As you can see, he's trying to show me. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Just have my husband here. Want to show him? That's the noise that he makes. Yeah. And then he gets frisky and mad. Here, let's see if we can get really close. Who's that? Who's that? Don't laugh at me. No beaking. You're on the wrong finger. Get on this one. We'll get down. Get on the right finger. Get back up. Oh, you think the camera is going to get nose love instead of you? He's very... Look, I'm not going to give the camera nose love. What's the matter? What is it? What's the matter? Can't tell what we can see. What's you? Yeah. He likes to be blown on. You're just a little mouse. Just a little mouse. You're just a little mouse. That's all. People understand now. You don't have to be embarrassed anymore. It's okay to be named Mouse. Because you're a man. A man who plays with little toys.